Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday morning market webcast. Okay, daily chart. So the band ride, the lower band ride we have been on for about 8 sessions, came to an end yesterday. We had talked about, yesterday morning, we had talked about how, and we had talked earlier in the week, about with these higher lows, the logical place to go test would be the weekly pivot, fill this gap from Sunday. It did both of those things yesterday, so it was a really nice long for us in the room. We messed around on the short side for a couple of handles off the open, and then we just locked in long 64. Then we did another long at 78. Currently, we're short 85. So we've taken about 20 handles in profits on that, and then I've got 20 handles locked in on a runner. We'll see what else it wants to do with the downside into the open, but it's been a nice week. It continues to be a very nice month, and it's a good day, and the day is over, and it's 8:40 in the morning. What I'll be interested to see is the reaction to news flow today. I would imagine you're going to see positive news flow today, and what the reaction is going to be as price comes up and potentially tries to test the daily pivot and the hourly mid-band that are both hanging out between 70 and 73. If they can't get that done and we continue to bleed to the downside, then the key area for me is down here at 40 to 42, which held for basically 4, 5, 6 hours in Globex, not last night, but the night before, and then they grabbed it, 9:30 in the morning, and right about here, they the worst they did was 59, and they grabbed it and never looked back. For the open itself, you got volume weighted average price sitting in at about 67. Our proprietary moving average is at 63. And you got the 5-minute mid-band, call it 59. We open at about 50 minutes. We've traded as low as 53. They're trying to bounce it a little bit here. As far as the open itself, I would take a step back and see if they want to fade it back up, or if they're going to knock it down to buy it. The potential today is for more trending price. So yesterday was a trend up day for most of the day. You had a late afternoon reversal. Just got it to that 94. It just didn't have anything left. If the upside ultimately continues, if all we're doing here is carving out a higher low, then the next destination to the upside early next week would be the daily mid band and the round number 2900. So we'll see what they have. The open will be key today. The 70 to 73 area will be key on the upside. 40 to 42 on the downside. I'm not expecting a choppy day. All right, everybody have a great day. Have a great weekend. Got some more stuff out on social. Come trade this stuff with us. Come take a trial. I think you'll really, really like what you see. Not sure how you couldn't. All right, take care. Trade them well. I'll talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.